Please trace the letter F. Where is letter F? Okay, good job. Trace it, please. Hold the pencil properly. Correct position of holding your pencil. Okay, how about the small letter F? Okay, good job, Gaya. Space you put there. Sige, you do it. You make a flower. Not yet. Okay, very good. Set. This one. What? Listen, look on the picture, oh. Look here, oh, you count how many spoon first? You count, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Okay, so there are 6 spoons. This is a set of
Spoons.
Very good. How about, okay, this is a set of okay, you count how many triangles?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. How about the last picture? This is a set of
1, 2, 3, 4.
okay, this is a set of
Balls.
balls. Great job. Clap your hands for Gaya. Okay, good.
Set on Jolly Toys.
Oh, touch your set of Jolly Toys. Please touch. Wow. Okay, please touch.
Set on Jolly Toys.
Touch it again. The set of Jolly Toys. Good job.
Set and comes.
Set of combs. What's this? Again, last one.
Set and comes.
Is that Gaya?
Set on ties.
So, what is that?
Set on peg.
Louder.
Set on pen.
Very good. Big letter N and small letter N. Very good, Gaya. Clap your hands. Okay. The sound of N is? What is the sound of letter N? Sound of N again? Very good. One more time. The big letter N, small letter N, then big letter N. Okay, connect. Ready? Go! You hold the paper. Wow, may I see? Wow, great job, Gaya. What letter is that? What letter is that?
N.
Very good, Gaya. Okay, big letter N. Okay, please do it. From big letter N down to small letter N, then to the big N. Go. Where is the big N? Okay, so trace it. Alright, then down again. down to the small N. Okay, then down again. Friend, please hold it. Okay, great job. Clap your hands. That is letter N. What letter is that?
N.
Okay, what is the sound of letter N? Okay, good job. Okay. May I see what is that? May I see? Show it to mama. May I see? May I see? Okay, that is a big letter. Okay, where to put that one?
There.
Okay, great job, Gaya. Okay. Good job. Do you need help?
Tree.
That is a small letter.
N.
Where to put that one? Small one. Okay, on the other box. Okay. Good job, Gaya. May I see? Is that a big N or a small N? May I see? What is that? Big N or small N?
Big N.
Oh, where to put that one? Okay, good job. Alright. Then you have another one there. Please get the other one. This one. That one. Oh, you get that one. Put it properly. Okay. Then the last one. Okay. Complete. What is the sound of letter N? Okay. Great job.